You want to launch a YouTube channel for your business, but you're not sure what a YouTube launch looks like. Stick around because I'm going to walk you through exactly what you need to do to make sure you launch your YouTube channel successfully. Hi, my name is Trena, and on this channel, I help creative business owners like you get on YouTube to grow your business. YouTube has been my #1 strategy for my business, and I have loved the power that video has brought to my brand. Now, without further ado, let's just jump right into how to launch a YouTube channel to your audience. Whether you currently have a large audience or you don't have an audience at all, you can follow this step by step to really make sure your YouTube channel launches with people actually watching your videos. So the first thing you want to do once you've decided you're launching your channel is start drumming up some hype. Let your audience know something is coming. Maybe give them a sneak peek that you're filming videos, or maybe you give them a sneak peek of your channel banner. Let them know that you've got something in the works and get them excited about it. You could even have a countdown, like 10 days till something awesome comes or something exciting. You could even pique curiosity by asking them, if I were to start a YouTube channel, what would you like me to talk about? Then you get content ideas, plus they start thinking, oh, is she going to launch a YouTube channel? Do I need to watch out for that? The next thing you'll do is start getting your channel ready. This means creating your channel trailer, having your channel banner done, creating templates for your thumbnails so the branding looks consistent throughout but slightly different so all your thumbnails don't blend together, getting your about section filled out, all your links to your social media on your channel banner, all those types of things so your channel looks professional when you go live. I actually walk you through what to do to get your channel set up in an entirely different video, so I'll link that down in the description box for you to follow if you're not sure exactly what you need to do to get your channel set up properly. Your next step for launching your channel is to film videos. I always suggest batch filming and doing as many videos as possible. So for me right now, I'm batch filming and I'm trying to film about 12 videos. But for you, I suggest trying to get 6 to 10 videos in your back pocket filmed. I'm going to talk about why that number is really important coming up, but try to get about 6 to 10 video ideas mapped out, scripted, and filmed. You'll also want to start thinking about videos that fit into a playlist or a series. It's really important on YouTube to create bingeable content. So if you can create a series of videos that people will want to watch one after another, it's really going to help your channel grow and get in front of the right people faster. So once you have your videos filmed and edited and ready to go, I suggest having an entire launch week. Now, I told you to film 6 to 10 videos because that first week, you're going to release 1 video a day for 5 days. So you're going to go through those videos pretty quickly. So if you film 6 to 10, you'll have some in your back pocket so you can then start posting consistently 1 a week for the next couple of weeks without having to worry about filming again. That's why I say have that bucket of videos ready to go before you launch. Now, on that first day that you launch, go live. Promote it on Facebook, promote it to your email newsletter, get everybody over to your channel. Tell them in that live, welcome to your new channel, subscribe, maybe teach them something that you learned about getting this YouTube channel started. Just create that buzz around your channel. Then every day after that, for about 4 to 5 days, release a new video. Don't release all the videos at once because you want to get each video its own attention. Post it. Get comments on it, share it, promote it, tell your newsletter. Get enough attention on each video individually instead of just throwing up 5 videos at once and nobody really knowing where to start. Ideally, these 5 videos would be a part of a series so that you could then put it into a playlist. Then you can use this playlist on your Facebook, create a pin that goes directly to this playlist or adding it to your Instagram link, just creating a way to make bingeable content. I actually have a roadmap to launch your YouTube channel. If you want to grab that, it walks you through 10 exact steps with exercises and worksheets for you to fill out to make sure you're launching it properly. I'm going to link it right up here, and I'm also going to link it in the description box below so you can grab that, Check the things off as you go. And if you want to learn more about how to make your YouTube channel better once you launch it, click that playlist that's on your screen right now. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips, tricks, and strategies on how you can grow your business on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.